People often ask how the panel is connected to the footing. Again, you could do welded embeds or you could do a mechanical bolted system. We've been using a Meadow Link bracket from Meadow Burk. And the nice thing about this, it's nice and compact when we install it in the panel, and then we flip out this plate and we drive a big Simpson or Hilti 3/4 inch by 9 inch bolt down into the footing, and the engineer specs how many of those we need per panel, and then you can weld the inside, but it's not needed. People ask about how the panel is installed. So although the panels are very accurate because they're made on the casting stables that are within 1 or 2 millimeters of tolerance, the footing may not be super accurate, so we allow, underneath the panel, we allow 3/4 to 1 inch of gap, and then we can put our panel shims down, and we can alter the panel up to 1 millimeter. So that's where that 3/8 gap comes in on the joints. We can get it very, very accurate. So these come in all different thicknesses, 1 millimeter differences. And then once the panel stood there, the Meadow Link is Super Link. Keeping that wrong, have to put that in the description. We come through with a non-expanding grout and we put it underneath the panel, so it's got load bearing underneath the whole entire panel all the way along.